Hey there friends, it's Amy here and I'm so excited to share some of our newest Norwex products that are here to make our life easier, safer, and a little bit more eco-friendly just in time for all the summer chaos. I don't know about you guys, but we have been super busy this summer running from football camps to tennis matches, obviously cooking a lot more meals at home, just trying to keep up with all the messes. And I do gotta say that these launch items have been game changers for me and helping me maintain a cleaner and safer home. So we're gonna kick this off with the first one. It's our new and improved BioZyme Dish Soap Concentrate. You'll notice it comes in this little cardboard box and we get 3 sachets, super concentrated. These little sachets pack a powerful punch. They're enzyme based, meaning they go to work right away on the grease, the grime, the baked on food without drying out our hands. Now, BioZyme has become my go-to for hand washing dishes. I love that this box comes with 3 refills because it cuts plastic down by 90%. You just mix this with water in your forever foaming bottle or your spray bottle and pump it out. It's easy, it's super affordable, and totally clean ingredients. Plus, this new version is better than the previous one, but in terms of how well it works, in my opinion, and the price went down by over $10, which is fantastic. Next up, we have a new version of our Countercloths. So pretty. These beautiful vanilla Countercloths. If you're ready to break up with paper towels, these little cloths are made from 70% recycled microfiber and they work. I use them for everything in the kitchen, the crumbs, the spills, wiping down the bathroom sink, the kitchen counters, and they dry super fast. So you can get them in a 3-pack or in a Countercloth box set. It would also be really cute to mix and match the onyx with the vanilla. Bonus, each time you get and use these Countercloths, you're helping save 51,000 trees that are literally cut down every single day. Now, we also have some new foaming hand wash powder. Now, I love our foaming hand wash, but it was a bit of a challenge to get it in the bottle before. So these, it's a little cardboard box, comes with 3 of these little sachets. This powder turns into a silky foam when you mix it in the foaming pump. No synthetic fragrances, no harsh preservatives, just a light, clean citrus scent that makes you want to wash your hands again and again. So each little box comes with 3 refills, and the new formula of the foaming hand wash is much better in my opinion. It also has aloe to keep our hands soft, super easy to pour right in the bottle. And the texture of this is, like I mentioned, very silky. So it definitely mixes very quickly, and the price went down, so that's great. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. The Dustpan and Rubber Brush. Norwex, listen to us, guys. So this attaches right onto your Norwex mop handle, and it has this awesome rubber brush that's statically charged and grabs things like pet hair like magic. I use the brush on my couch, chairs, stairs, my dry mop pads, my dusting mitt, you name it. It also has a really cool squeegee end for spills and these little smart teeth on the pan, so that when my brush is dirty, all of the grime just falls off. Okay, another item you've probably been waiting for, new optic scarves. So these are must-haves for our phones, our glasses, our tablets. They now come in 2 gorgeous styles. You can clip them on your purse, backpack, beach bag, and ditch those chemical-laden screen sprays or glasses sprays that are really not good for our environment or our products either. Now they come in this pewter or this beautiful color. My husband just swiped one of these out of my office because he likes the pewter color. It's very gender neutral. It's great for all the things in his vehicle. Okay, this one you're gonna love. This is the Ultra Scrub Cloth. This is scrubby and Enviro all in one. This is great for your heavy duty messes in the bathroom, outdoor furniture, toothpaste blobs, scrubby side for your grime, and Enviro cloth side to wipe it clean. It actually folds in thirds, so you get multiple cleaning surfaces, and they hold just enough water to tackle those jobs without dripping everywhere. And you just wash these in with the rest of your Norwex when you're done. Now, about a month ago, we did launch our new Microfiber Deep Cleaner, but I want to talk about this real quick because clean microfiber is happy microfiber. This brand new booster is an upgraded version of our previous microfiber cleaner laundry booster. This is amazing. It's specially formulated to deep clean and restore our Norwex microfiber. It helps remove buildup, body oils, think body cloths, odors, grease, and grime that sometimes regular washing can leave behind. You just pour 4 teaspoons of this in a sink with hot water, and you let your Norwex cloths soak anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, and then wash them with your favorite Norwex detergent when you're done. If you have a deep soak cycle on your washing machine, you can also add 4 teaspoons directly to your washing machine to let them deep soak there. I noticed that my cloths come out cleaner, fluffier, and feel a lot more refreshed. It's basically a spa day for our Norwex. Plus, we have some exciting announcements. Our BioZyme Ultra Power Plus joins the lineup of EWG verified products at Norwex. Now these, along with our BioZyme, our Microfiber Deep Cleaner, and our amazing skincare are all EWG verified. And EWG is the gold standard for clean and effective products. So I hope these products reflect exactly why I am so excited and why I love Norwex. Less waste, fewer toxins, and more impact. Let me know in the comments, are you ready to try one of these? And which one do you think is going to be your favorite? I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.